Introduction to Woodworking. The essentials of the woodworking bench, workbenches, and router tables. Woodworking is a world of its own, a world that demands precision. To achieve that, you need the right tools and the perfect workbench. But how do you choose the best woodworking bench? Stick around, we're here to guide you. Before we delve into the details, if you are looking for suggestions on a good woodworking bench and router tables, check out the links in description below. We have listed some of the top choices with a variety of features and prices based on a comprehensive review by our team. Now, let's get started. The woodworking bench is your craft's command center. It's where all projects begin and end. It's not just a surface, but a tool in itself. The right woodworking bench supports and facilitates your every move. Workbenches are diverse. They come in different styles, sizes, and materials. They cater to varying needs, from heavy-duty tasks to intricate detailing. Remember, your workbench is your assistant. Choose wisely. A sturdy top is a must-have. The surface needs to handle all sorts of pressure. It should resist impacts, absorb shocks, and bear weight. A quality top ensures durability. The base is equally crucial. It provides stability. It anchors the bench, preventing slips and wobbles. A strong base contributes to accuracy. Consider the workbench's height. It should align with your waist for ergonomic working conditions. Comfort impacts productivity. The right height can save you from backaches. Never underestimate storage. Drawers, shelves, or cabinets, they're essential for organization. They keep tools, screws, and nails within arm's reach. Then we have woodworking benches with dog holes and vices. These features hold your workpiece in place. They provide an extra hand when you need it the most. Moving on to router tables, another invaluable tool. A router table is a stationary woodworking machine. It allows for hands-free routing, a significant advantage. Router tables offer precision. They're ideal for making joints, grooves, and edges. They make it possible to work on small pieces safely. They have adjustable fences. This feature allows for controlled, repeatable cuts. It ensures consistency and quality. The router table comes with a bit guard. Safety first, always. The guard protects your fingers from the spinning bit. Additionally, they have speed controls. You can adjust the speed to match the workpiece material. It lessens the risk of burns and chips. Many router tables have dust collection ports. A clean workspace is essential for clear vision and healthy lungs. The dust port maintains cleanliness and prolongs machine life. Router tables, like workbenches, require careful selection. Consider the table's size and material. Make sure it can accommodate your router. Noise level is another factor. Some router tables are quieter than others. Choose according to your tolerance and neighbor's peace. Lastly, the price. Your budget matters. Balance between quality and affordability. Remember, a good tool is an investment. In conclusion, woodworking benches, workbenches, and router tables are your workshop's backbone. They're the unsung heroes of every project. They will contribute to your success in unseen yet profound ways. Master your craft with the right tools. Find a workbench that understands your needs. Invest in a router table that speaks your language. This video aims to educate and guide. We hope it simplifies your choice. Good luck with building your workspace, and remember, every great creation begins on a bench. Now that you know the features and benefits, take a step. Analyze your needs, evaluate your options. It's time to enhance your woodworking experience. Your bench awaits, your router table is ready. Embrace precision, embrace quality. It's time to bring your ideas to life. Never stop learning, never stop creating. Woodworking is a journey. Each project shapes you as much as you shape it. So, go ahead and dive in. Let the wood tell its story. Let your hands guide it. Craft with your heart, create from your soul. Woodworking is not just about making things. It's about making things happen. Your workbench, your router table, your world. Make it count. And don't forget to check out the links in description for suggestions on a good woodworking bench and router tables. These come with a variety of features and prices, and we hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time, happy woodworking!